Hello there, William Vinson here, yeswilliam.com. I want to make a quick recording tonight over a new system I found that you might find interesting. It doesn't take bunches of money to get started in, and that's what we're all looking for is a regular paycheck or consistently regular paycheck without a whole bunch of expense. And you can get started in this one for free for 7 days. And then if you can make 3 sales in 7 days, you still got it free. Not too bad, huh? I've got 2 solo ads running on it right now. See what I can do about getting at least 3 and hopefully more than that. I mean, with 2 solo ads, I would figure I'd end up with a whole lot more than that. But anyway, this is what it is. It's Power Lead System. I have the landing page that I'm using. Let's see if I can bring that up. I'm going to put a different link later in my description after I'm going to go redirect it anyway. But this is the landing page I'm using right now. Our easiest online system creates leads and daily cash. Absolutely newbie proof, training included, no experience required, enter email. It's not going to ask you for your name, see? Okay, now I'm going to show you what it looks like once you get in there. This is where you're going to end up. You're going to watch a video and stuff and get welcomed in first. And then you're going to end up here at this getting started page. And the one thing he's telling you in the video, you'll watch a video on on Facebook in the group, because there's a group to join, and that's the first thing you do is click the link to get in the group. And then the second thing is you come here and click the easy button. Maybe the first thing, guess what he's talking about anyway. Click the easy button. Follow the directions of this button. You see that button there? It's kind of hilarious watching this video because evidently a lot of people can't get this right. It's kind of hard to believe. I don't know how much easier it'd be right at the top and just click the easy button. Start here. You see how easy all that is? So anyway, just got this, the companies you can promote and how to get help. You can see all the different kinds of help you got. Training, you come back here to training, and it's got all different kinds of training. The main one being the skills training that you're going to work with here. But all this training is included in your 7-day free trial. And whenever you decide to buy in, they'll set up you a website and give you a link. Your links will come. Let's see. My share codes, because they had sent me an email with sharing codes in it. And these are the share codes, right, that I've got so far, 4 different funnels. Now, if I can remember where this is the one landing page. Don't hide from the truth. I thought that was a real good one. I got it on one of my WordPress blogs now because I'm advertising this on WordPress. This is the one that you just saw, the one that I've got running, so I'm going to try the other one next time, I guess. Here's the next landing page. Cool people know. And you see this kind of landing page a lot. And there's a new bridge page, so you can kind of build your own funnel. Well, you don't even have to build the funnel. The landing page leads to there anyway. Once you start the landing page, it'll take you to where you need to go. Let's try. Okay, send it to me. See, now you put in your confirmation code just to verify that everybody's right. 9YGH. Now here you are at Lead Lightning. There's a video here to watch. Get started with Lead Lightning. And see the easy button? Seems like to me it'd be pretty easy, huh? So you can get full access to Lead Lightning. It's only $7 and a one-time payment of $7. Now what I was showing you here, Power Lead System is the one where you're going to make the money. This is 29 something for a month and $23 for setup. Well, I don't remember now, $53 a month. That's why I said you get $20 a month per person you can get sign up, and for every person they get to sign up, you get $10 a month. So say that one person signs up one person, and you got $30 a month just off the two of them, as long as they stay subscribed. So you can see how that could benefit you. 3 of them, and it pays your way. In the 7 days, if you can make 3 sales, and then you don't owe them anything. They hadn't asked, and you saw from here, if you go with this one here, you pay the $7, and that's the one-time fee. After that, see, I didn't get started that way. I went to a different one. Let's find a different one. We can edit this out. Oh yeah, I remember how I did it now. I wanted to be part of the group. So I'm going to put this link in my description. This is a Facebook group. That's all it is. And in order to be part of this Facebook group, I'll show you. New Gold Members Training. And they got a training on, and this is Ace and Rich. You see Ace and Rich is doing this. This is the PLS group on, and we can go, I can take you to that too. Let's go to Facebook. We'll go to the PLS. There we go. Ace and Rich's Power Lead System. I don't know what that is there. We'll wait. But this is how I found it. Ace and Rich Guzman's Power Lead System team. Now, I found this looking through groups on, I think I was looking for Ace and Rich's groups actually, because I was trying to join their hot seat training. And I found this, and I wanted to join, and it had the join button there. And before I could join, I had to do, see, I'm a gold member now. So I had to join the PSL, and they'll send you a link to join, or PLS, power. You had to join it. The link, though, is going here, the Power Lead System Thursday trainings, and I'll put this link in my description, and to this particular thing. Now you got to sign up. This one here, this is the one that the landing page goes to. So most people are going to come to this. I guess I should have come to this too. And then it would only cost me $7. And then it would have been a one-time thing to be there. You can generate sales, have success even as a beginner, get free traffic training, and you can do all this without being an affiliate. Being an affiliate is where you spend the $53 a month, and then you get this. You don't have to pay this $7, but you understand what I'm saying. You can get all this training for $7 one time, or you can sell all this training for $20 a month, plus the setup, the website setup fee and stuff is $53 total anyway. So anyway, I've got 2 solos running right now with it. I'm going to see how they work, and I'll let you know. Now I've got some other things I'm gonna do some other videos about, but for now, this will be enough. I'll tell you what, I'll put both links in there. This link my link to this, and you can just bypass the other one if you're not interested in if you're interested in being, sometimes my fingers get kind of touchy. If you're interested in being a PLS member, I'll have the landing page, my landing page there, where you can go to. Let's go back to that. This landing page will be on my description. This takes you here. So this is the one where you go get to pay the $7 a month, and you get the free training and everything for $7. You don't have to do nothing else. If you want to be an affiliate after you get through with this, then you come. This is the Facebook group, Ace and Riches, but you can fill that out, and they'll ask you during the course of that, and you'll end up here with this, getting started with the easy button, and the companies, you get your own domain, or you can buy one here. You can be able to blog in here, all kinds of different things. So it's a great way to learn how to do it, and you can make money at it, especially if you promote it. Okay, have a great day. Hope you enjoyed the walkthrough.